10 lesser-known facts about the Hubble Space Telescope. 1. Launch and deployment. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery (STS-31) mission on April 24, 1990. It was deployed into low Earth orbit at an altitude of about 547 kilometers (340 miles). 2. Name origin. The telescope is named after the American astronomer Edwin Hubble, who made groundbreaking contributions to the understanding of the universe, including the discovery of the expansion of the universe. 3. Optical flaw and repair. Initially, Hubble had a flaw in its primary mirror, causing blurry images. In 1993, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour conducted a servicing mission to install corrective optics, essentially giving Hubble a pair of glasses. This repair dramatically improved its image quality. 4. International collaboration. Hubble is a product of international collaboration. It was a joint project of NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA. The telescope's instruments and components were built by various countries, making it a truly global effort. 5. Size and weight. Hubble is about the size of a school bus, measuring approximately 13.3 meters, 43.5 feet, in length, and weighing around 110 kilograms, 24,500 pounds. Despite its size, it is considered a relatively small telescope compared to ground-based observatories. 6. Power source. The Hubble Space Telescope is solar-powered. It has 2 large solar arrays that generate electricity from sunlight. These arrays provide power to the telescope's instruments and systems while also charging its batteries for use during orbital night. 7. Longevity. Hubble has far exceeded its original mission lifespan. It was initially designed to operate for 15 years, but with several servicing missions and upgrades, it has now been operational for over 3 decades, making it one of the longest-serving and most successful space telescopes. 8. Observing time demand. Hubble is in high demand for observing time. Scientists around the world submit proposals for observations, and the competition for time is fierce. The telescope receives more proposals than it can accommodate, leading to a highly selective process. 9. Deep field observations. Hubble is famous for its deep field observations. The Hubble deep field images capture a small, seemingly empty area of the sky for an extended period, revealing thousands of galaxies in various stages of evolution. This has provided profound insights into the early universe. 10. Contributions to cosmology. Hubble's observations have contributed significantly to our understanding of dark energy and dark matter, the rate of expansion of the universe, and the formation of galaxies. It played a crucial role in refining the estimate of the Hubble constant, a key parameter in cosmology. Conclusion. And there you have it, space enthusiasts. We've delved into the extraordinary world of the Hubble Space Telescope, uncovering 10 mind-blowing facts that showcase its remarkable journey through the cosmos. From its launch in 1990 to the groundbreaking repairs in 1993, Hubble has not only withstood the test of time, but has become a symbol of human ingenuity and exploration. Its ability to capture the beauty of distant galaxies and unravel the mysteries of the universe has forever changed our understanding of the cosmos. As we celebrate Hubble's decades-long mission, let's marvel at its contributions to astronomy, the stunning images it has beamed back to Earth, and the international collaboration that made it all possible. Hubble's legacy continues to inspire scientists, astronomers, and stargazers around the world. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cosmic content. Share your favorite Hubble facts in the comments, and let's keep the spirit of exploration alive as we gaze into the vastness of the universe